In this video, I will go through the Excel sheet that you can use to import vendors with your master data information worksheet. We have the different fields in the table marked in up here in the top. And if they're red, it means they are what we suggest is the minimum to fill out to get some valid data. And if it has a gray background, it means it has an underlying table that it looks into. And we start from the end, and number is just a unique number for your vendor. Name and name too, name of the vendor and additional name for the vendor. Search name is a name that you can change according to the name, but if they are the same data you have in these two fields, you don't need to fill it out because it automatically gets the data from the name field. Address, address 2, again, address and additional address.